Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can build your Shopify store. So once you have created your Shopify account and started your free trial, or maybe you just bought a subscription, now you want to know how to build your Shopify store. Now there's three essential things I think to building a Shopify store. The first one is of course the product, the third the website design, and the last is external apps. So let's start from products. So for example here products. Of course, if you want to build your Shopify shop, you need products to sell. Here I already have some products made, but if I'm going to show you how you can make your own products. Once you're on orders, not orders, products, and then you just press on this upper right button here, add product. And here you can start building or adding your product. You can change it. You can add titles, description, the media, the category, the pricing, the inventory, the cost per item. It'll automatically give you the profit and the margins as well. The shipping, the variants, and of the search engine listing as well. So, for example, I'm just going to add in a t-shirt here. And the description is a cool summer t-shirt. And to make a product, all you really need is just the title. But for it to be a proper product, ideally, you'll need to fill out all these others field as well, like description, media, the pricing. If I, for example, give it a 10 this price, and then the cost per item is around 20, it'll give you a margin as well automatically, like Excel. You can also adjust if this is a physical product or this is a digital product as well. But beyond that, you can explore for yourself. I'm going to save this. Once you've saved, you can see add the t-shirt. And if we go back to the product page, there it is. Our t-shirt has been added. Now I'll show you building your how to build your website. So on the Shopify admin dashboard here, you just go onto online store and then you click on themes. You can either customize the theme already given to you, or you can pick all the other numerous themes Shopify have provided for you. Some are free, some are paid, so be mindful of that as well. If you just want to add a new template, just press the add button and it'll automatically replace your current template. If you want to edit and build your Shopify website, you just press on this, customize, or you can also edit the code or edit the default theme content. Those two functions have its own uses as well. On the website, you'll be presented with a UI such as this. It's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Like if you want to change the text, you just click and then you change the text there. If you want to change the button, you can change that there. And you can also, first button link, this is the link that will be redirected to when the customer press it. You can change it by pressing it here. It'll redirect them onto other parts of your website as well. And as you can see, there are our products as well that we've made earlier, just like this. Explore this UI and play around with it to get comfortable. Now, the last part of building your Shopify website is utilizing the external apps as well. In Shopify, there's a lot of essential things that's not available, or like something that should be standard, but Shopify doesn't provide for you. Things like reviews or ads or just a simple buy button. And this is when you can utilize external apps. The way you can utilize that is by going on here on the Shopify admin dashboard, back again here. You go into apps and then you go to app and sales channel settings. And then Shopify App Store. This is where most of the magic of Shopify shop happens. It's the external apps. Although, be mindful, as you can see here, there's a free plan available, free to install, free trial available. Usually all of these means that the app you're gonna install is paid, or there's a caveat, or there's an exception. Like you can only use it 100 times per month or something like that. But I think that's the last part of building your Shopify website, the essentials, of course. There's a lot more to cover, but I encourage you to explore and play around with that yourself.